Ikea car park in Belfast. I'm trying to save the look. We've got this one coming up, so we're going to get this one coming on. Let's walk the two. Right. I just pushed the button on the left. Did you see me? Good.
Fix your wee hairband, sweetie.
Here we go. I know. Just excuse me, something up. Crazy hair.
Crazy hair.
There. Look at this, look, that's huge! 56 buses! And installed in 2007! And 5,000 kilograms! Let's take a look at it, Tina. And you see here's a little shelter. Yeah, to take in the rain. This is the airport. It's raining at the minute. Yeah, we don't want to go in the rain until in case the camera gets frozen. Over. Get these fixtures. I'm going to get these fixtures. I've actually on the touch button these fixtures. By the way, Schindler, 5,000 kilograms, 67 persons, installed in 2007. YouTube user, NR39 system, the Swift. Yeah? I'm Sean Tim and Alan, did you? We had our breakfast in here. Yeah, we just had our breakfast. Whoa. And then we started to take a look around and see what we could buy. Let's go up to one where we have the tour. Yeah, our car is parked up there and our dog is waiting for us. Big slam. Big slam. It's a very huge loft. We are having this one coming up and we have the other one going down. It's so far away. Look. Now I'm going to have to walk all the way out to that. And then, when we get to your car, which is over here, let's end the tour. What did you say?
We'll put our car on the YouTube, sweetheart.
I'll put those on.